Hello, student, and today we'll start a new series that NCERT will cover all the NCERT syllabus, that is class 6 to class 10. So that today is your class 6 mathematics chapter 1. Chapter is name is patterns in mathematics. I will discuss the first page and the second page in this video. The first question arises: what is mathematics? Mathematics is search for the patterns and explanation for why these patterns exist. That means mathematics means lot of patterns, and why these patterns are exist means what is the behind the logic of that pattern. That is known as the mathematics. And second question is, why is mathematics considered both art and science? Why mathematics considered as both art and science? Mathematics is considered as both art and science because art means in mathematics creativity, and science means logical reasoning. Both creativity and logical reasoning are required to finding the pattern why this pattern exists. That's why mathematics is also known as both math and science. Clear? Okay. Okay, here is a picture where we see that triangular numbers means 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. This number can be arranged in triangular format. That's why these are known as the triangular numbers. Second, 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. These are the square of the number, that 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, and 5 square is equal to 25. This number can be arranged in a square pattern, and some of the number, that is 8, 1, 8, 27, 64, 1 to 5. They are the cube of number, that 5 cube is equal to 1 to 5, 4 cube is equal to 64. That's why this number can be represented as a cube in diagram format. Okay. Now the next question is, where can we see mathematical patterns in real life? In real life, we see mathematical pattern both in natural and artificial way. The naturals are the planets are moving, weathers, plant and animals. These are the natural. And some artificial are technology like phone and computer. We use different type of patterns. Okay. Now thank you for the watching the video. In the next class, we will discuss the patterns in number. And there is a request. Please share the video with friends and the student who need it, because this year the NCERT books is changed, so the old format is not adequate with the present need, so it can reach the student who need it.